guys, we're out here, Aldersgate, 2K18, peace retreat, bro.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
She walks in and she said, "Shut up."
Really trippy. We started a prank war and we put a little poop
Hey
on their
guys.
toilet.
So
Shut up, no one likes you. So we started a prank war. And we're about to prank them real good. We'll send you the footage so you can see.
it's a good time for vlogging.
Prank gone wrong.
Stop. What? She can't get up. Ow, I just hit my head. Sorry,
It's fine.
You literally could have just gone through here. Vlogception. What? Yeah. Hi, Savannah.
Hiking squad.
I'm
Ready?
I was reflecting on a dark time.
Jesus. Actually smile.
JC, you look deep in thought. Just fell and her entire bottom is covered in mud.
Don't go down there.
Oh my gosh! Hope.
I want to go in to see them. How did they do this? How did they?
Should we race to go catch up to him?
Come here, baby. Oh my God, the first. Oh wait, it's a dog. Yeah, it totally is it. Let's go, guys.
Oh?
He doesn't want the grass.
Here, I'll give you a stick.
Let's go.
Hobo, where are you?
Hobo.
This one's my favorite.
Terrible name.
He's like, what are you doing? Ouch! That hurt.
Ouch, that hurt. Oh, that one went under.
Why, yes, we can.
I mean me, but this one's slow. You want to eat the grass out of my hand? No, stupid. That feels weird.
Oh. A flower. Is that yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
It's good.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold, but it's good.
Can do mine?
Mine messed up.
No, look good. Dustin!
So I made it to the top of the giant clay wall. I don't think you could see it. If I go like this, maybe you can see. The entire wall is clay and it's really pretty. That's for my vlog. Stop screaming! It's not that scary!
Yeah, I think the boys are coming up here. I think the boys are.
Grab that! That's a good one! Fun, I'll throw harder.
Why is Dustin? So we're at the halfway point. Lulu's all the way at the bottom.
I can't be the last one. I can't be the last one. What? But then. That's so fun.
Okay, so like I'm like so much poison is in me.
Oh, the flowers coming out of my. Woo! Happy!
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
A joint answer is at the very end when you're trying to win, okay?
I agree. Just some uncomfortable.
Woohoo, dude. Breakfast.
Nope.
Elementary with the rest. So T-G-Y-L-X-O-X. Show up in the same dress.